Alright, so we're going to study patterns with whole numbers, and we're going to focus on only those patterns that are formed by addition and subtraction. To do this, we will look at the steps that we could follow to identify and complete these patterns, and then we'll apply the steps to some examples together. And now here are the steps. We're going to subtract the first term from the second term, and we're going to add that number we get to the second term, and that should give us the third term, and we do that until we complete the rest of the numbers in the patterns. And in some instances, you may actually have to find out some missing numbers from the pattern. This should help us get those missing numbers. Now let's look at some examples. So we have the pattern here is 3, 8, 13, 18. So our first step is we say subtract the first term from the second term. So that's going to be 8 minus 3. That's going to give us 5. So what we say now is, now we're going to add 5 to every term. So 8 plus 5 is going to give us 13. So that's correct. 13 plus 5 is going to give us 18. So now we have that correct. And now we have 18 plus 5. That should give us 23. 23 plus 5 should give us 28. And then 28 plus 5 should give us 33. So here we're going to have 23. We're going to have 28. And then we're going to have 33. So that's our pattern for the first example. Let's look at our second example. Find the missing numbers in the pattern below. So we're saying here that we're going to subtract the first number from the second number. So we have 50 minus 56. That's going to give us negative 6. Then 50, we're going to add that number to every other term in the pattern. So we start by adding to the second term. So this is going to give us 50 minus 6. This is 44. Then 44 plus minus 6 is going to give us 44 minus 6, which is 38. 38 plus negative 6 is going to give us 38 minus 6, which is 32. 32 plus negative 6 is going to give us 32 minus 6, which is 26. And then 26 plus negative 6 is going to give us 26 minus 6, which is going to give us 20. So our missing terms are 32, 26, and 20. Next example, we have 45, 41, 37, 33. So our first step is to subtract the first from the second. So we have 41 minus 45. This is going to give us negative 4. And so we're going to add negative 4 to every other term starting from the second term. So we have 41 plus negative 4, which is 41 minus 4. That should give us 37. 37 plus negative 4 should give us 37 minus 4, should give us 33. 33 plus negative 4 should give us 33 minus 4, which is 29. 29 plus negative 4 should give us 29 minus 4, which is 25. And then 25 plus negative 4 is going to give us 29. Sorry, that's 25. So that should give us 25. 25 minus 4, which is 21. So our missing values are 29, 25, and 21. Now let's look at our final example. We are subtracting the first term from the second term. So 51 minus 38, that's going to give us 13. So now we're going to add 13 to every other term. So now we have 51 plus 13. That should give us 64. 64 plus 13. That will give us 77. 77 plus 13 should give us 90. 90 plus 13 should give us 103. 103 plus 13 should give us 116. So our missing values are 90, 103, 116.